Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Mike Foster here, how you doing? It's called the Beard Bib by Beard King. And this is supposed to be a bib, as you can see this guy right here. You put it around your neck. You know, see, when you shave, when you shave like this, your neck like this, or your whole face, or your head, the hairs go everywhere. And especially if you do it in front of a mirror, which I usually do, it goes down the sink. This was invented, and here it is, we're gonna see if it works, to keep those hairs out of the sink and out of everywhere. Let's check it out. Let's see. It's this big, how the heck does this thing work? Okay, I'm assuming there's Velcro here, so let's put this around the neck. Oh, here's the, oh my goodness. How are you gonna shave your neck if the Velcro's in the way? And then how does it stick through? You take this, and you put this through it. Well, there's holes here. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, how could you have such horrible instructions? This goes here, where? Here, I guess? Okay, that goes like that. Okay, that goes like that, and I'm assuming you take it, put it in this hole. What a piece of shit. I'm not even kidding about it. And then, okay, then you put it like that. Okay, I'm assuming you put it like that. Okay, I'll meet you at the mirror and see if this goes any better. I'm in the bathroom, so I'm assuming, I thought this was gonna be great. I'd rather just throw a towel over the damn sink. Jeez, hold on, okay. Got these stupid things hooked up. So now I'm going to take this, put one here, take the other one, and put it here, and see these two? Next time you see me, these will be stuck on the mirror. There it is. Look, I'm in the barber shop. Oh, let's try it. I'm just doing the neck, I'm keeping the beard. All these hairs usually go all over the place, so this is silly, but I think it's working. Let's see. Okay, it's just a little quick shave. Enough for this demo. Let's see how it ended up. Check it out. Look at all the hair. Look at it all. And there's none in the sink. You know something? I'll give you my review in a second. All right, I'm sitting at my reading chair. Here's it. I dumped it. Nothing got on my shirt. So I'm going to give you my review now. That's not the best angle. Got a nice clean shave, got nothing to do with that. Okay. It's called the beard thing. The Beard Bib by Beard King. For you men who shave or shave your head, shave your face, you don't want to clog your sink with hair. So it's a great idea, it makes sense. And it was actually on Shark Tank, and I think they backed it. I'll give you my review. And this happens with a lot of stuff you get from foreign countries, especially China. The instructions are non-existent, so I guess they just show little pictures because they can't put the instructions in English. So I was a little confused at first, and I did it first time I opened that box. But once you get past that, and once you realize that you can actually still utilize the mirror, you can cover the sink, it actually works. So I give it a thumbs up. You want a number attached to it? I give the instructions a 3.1. I give the actual beard bib a 9.2. So I hope you like these Mike tries. I'll try anything. Let me know. And tell people about Live Life 365. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
What the hell is this thing? Where does it go? I think there's more to it. Let's see. This is what you have to do. You have to put it in front of a mirror with these little things. Why don't they have better instructions? So, A, the instructions suck. The instructions suck. It's made in China. All right, let's do a handheld.